Hello, I'm Jane from Razzle Dazzle Pots in Mapley, Nottingham. Just going to do another little video, just quickly show you how to colour in using the writer bottles. They're really good for doing tiny little areas. You only have to do them one coat, you don't need to do three like you would normally with the paints, but it just needs a little bit of practice. So I just thought I'd just give you a little demo just to show you how easy it is. So this is the little coaster that I was doing in one of the earlier videos, and we've got a little butterfly and some little flowers. I'm just going to colour it in a little bit. Okay, so I've chosen yellow. Take the pin out, give it a little shake, just do a little squeeze onto the tile just to get it flowing. So this is the one we were doing in one of the earlier videos. So you can see we've got the little black lines where we drew the picture in. The writers are really runny today. We're in the conservatory at home and it is really warm, so the colour is just running out. It might not be like that when you're in the studio, so I'm not putting any effort into this writer, it's just flowing out. But like I said, in the studio, you might need to do a little tiny squeeze. So when you do this and you do use the black writers, even if you go over the lines a little bit, it doesn't matter. The black lines, black is a much stronger colour than the other colours, and so when it fires, it will generally, unless you've gone over it really a lot, will show through whatever the colour that you've put over the top accidentally. So if you put a little bit of yellow over it, those black lines will still show through. So nearly done. Let's do these ones here green. So the tile, because it's not painted, when it's fired will fire white, but sometimes we use the white writer to make it whiter. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle of these flowers just to make it stand out. The thing with the writers as well is that sometimes it doesn't look very white, but don't worry, it will be. So this is my finished little coaster with the colouring in. With the magic of editing, here is the fired coaster.